are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, way, you are all that matters. Oh, way, na 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 na. What? No!
Wow, this is beautiful. I mean, it's amazing. You sound so great. I never knew you had such a lovely voice.
How long have you been standing and listening to my melodious voice?
Not quite long though, but I'm sorry for barging on you this way.
It's okay, Subato. Sit.
Okay. Auntie, why are you hiding this beautiful gift of yours?
I don't understand.
Okay. Can I ask you something? Can you possibly light up a candle and hide it under the bed?
No, Makagen is why.
Fine. Very well. Auntie Matilda, why do you want to kill this beautiful talent of yours? Okay. I want you to join our choir.
You're very funny. You and I know that's not going to be possible. I'm nothing but a maid house help. What time do I have? I need to go to the market, wash clothes, clean house, do all those things. Your mother will not even allow me to go out. Please, 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 don't even make such suggestion for me. Else you want me to lose my job. Your mother will just kill me and chase me away. See this roof over my head? I appreciate it. Biko.
I understand what your fear is, but you know I got your back always, right? I am going to talk to Daddy Gio about this, and I'll beg him to talk to my mother to allow you to join the church choir.
No, please don't do that. I appreciate your concern. I appreciate your love, Manamba. Biko, don't do that. Your mother might think I'm the one that sent you to go and ask somebody to talk. Hey, don't do that. I thank you for loving my voice. Thank you for appreciating my talent. Mananyandaba, please. I don't want to lose my job. Please.
Please. What about you doing a collab with one of these top gospel musicians like Mercy Chinwo and Shoma, Jesus, and so many of them? I know what I'm saying. And
you're funny. Hey, Noel, look at the way you're advising me as if I'm somebody's daughter. Why are you talking like that? Where will I even see those people? Talk more of doing collab with them. And how... My brother...
Let me show you something. You see, I am following almost... okay, this is Mercy Chinwo. I want you to chat her. Understand? Chat her and tell her that you're a good artist. You can sing very well. See,
with which phone?
Okay, fine. You can make use of my phone this night. Please don't tell my mom. I can allow you to make use of this phone this night. Okay? Chat her. Maybe you can be chatting her every night. She might respond one day. But don't tell my mom that I'm giving this phone to you every night.
You will do that for me? Yeah, no, thank you so much for appreciating my talent and, going extra mile to make sure I become somebody.
Hey, it's nothing. It's nothing. Just take my phone.
And she's the one who
Yes, that's her. Oh yeah, you see, she has a lot of followers. There's
almost 5 million.
You see?
Hey, see, Gozi, okay.
Yes, that's her.
Okay, see what I'll do. I will write to her.
Okay.
After writing to her, I'll write to Gozi.
Alright.
You understand?
Okay. Let me just give you my password.
Okay.
This is me.
So how did you people see today's service?
Daddy Gio, it was something else. It was like the Holy Spirit came down from heaven and ministered to me directly. Oh, I was so exhilarated. Hi.
Considering what happened at service today, you can see that your house help, Sister Matilda, is gifted.
Oh yes, I was stunned myself. I didn't know she could sing like this. Such a nightingale voice. Hi.
I would like you people to allow her join the choir. You know, if allowed to join the choir, that girl can go places. She can be a vessel in the house of God.
I agree with you. I agree with you. You know, that girl is like a daughter to me. And I will do everything, anything to encourage her.
That's good, that's good. Sister Dorothy, you're not saying anything.
Daddy G.O., it's okay. Yeah. We can manage.
Yes. You know, God will bless you. God will bless both of you for sowing in the life of an orphan.
Thank you.
Actually, it's your son, Noel, that told me about Sister Matilda. Noel heard Sister Matilda singing in the kitchen while she was washing dishes, singing. He said once he heard her sing, he realized that this is God-given gift. And it is not ordinary.
As a matter of fact, she is a gift to this generation. But Emmanuel, he didn't tell me. He wanted to surprise me perhaps. That our son is smart.
So it would be good if you will allow her join the choir. The choir practice holds every Tuesday and Saturdays, 5 p.m.
Yes.
Yes, I hope it will be good.
Yes.
How do you see it?
We will encourage her.
Yes, encourage her.
Yes.
She'll go places.
Yes. Thank you so very much.
Yes, go well. Go well, Chief.
Money?
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. Wild woman, be careful what you do, cause you don't even know. You don't even know.
Madam, welcome. Madam, happy Sunday. Madam. Sorry, ma.
Stupid man. Come and close this door. Fool.
Oh yeah. Go.
Cause you're not even sure. Proud woman, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do.
Wow. Nah, every time quarrel for this compound. Nah, why I close my gate?
Proud woman, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do right now. Tomorrow's gonna come.
Nonsense. What impetus? She wants to turn to snatch my house. What impetus? Or even messaging her. Let me see how she will achieve that. Let me see how she achieves that. Nonsense.
Dorothy, can't I have peace in my own house? Huh?
No. There will be no peace in this house.
If I may ask, why is it that you are stiff-necked into believing that you have a problem? Why?
Have a problem? Me? Me? Have a problem?
Dorothy, I have advised you, and I will keep advising you, that you should shun this unnecessary aggression. Yes, because hot-tempered people, they are prone to having high blood pressure, which can lead to hypertension, stroke. Okay?
Rufus! Me! Aggressive! Hot-tempered! Only me!
I want to have my normal Sunday siesta. Okay? If you are not tired of your unnecessary bickering, go out there and continue to rage like a mad woman. For all I care.
Rufus, you called me a mad woman? You called me a mad woman?
If you are not a mad woman, now just explain to me why a woman in her right senses will return from service on a Sunday only to start barking all over the place like a mad dog. Tell me why?
Me, a mad dog? You're very stupid. Yes! You are a demented fool for uttering such welcome from your mouth. You're a stupid man.
Dorothy, you call me your husband a stupid man.
Yes.
A demented fool.
You hurt me. In fact, you're not just an ordinary stupid man. You're a man when men are not at home. Look at you. A non-entity. Trying to play a gentleman. Oh. Rufus. Look at you. Nonsense man. Fool.
Anyway, I will not allow you to spoil the good things that I got from service today. As a matter of fact, get ye behind me, you Satan.
Me? Satan? Rufus, me, Satan? Eh? Me, Dorothy, Satan! Not only am I dog, now I am a Satan. Let me show you how Satans behave. Let me show you how Satans behave. I will tell you. Look at you.
Dorothy.
Calling me a Satan.
Dorothy.
You are the Satan. You are the Satan. Oh, you're running away. Come. Let me show you. I should have shown you how Satans behave. Fool.
Why you be so heartless? Heartless woman. Why you be so heartless? Why you been so heartless?
So, Chief, how is family?
Well, Daddy Joe, family is fine. But there are skirmishes here and there. And there is a particular big problem.
Well, for 2 weeks now, I have not seen Sister Matilda in the church. In fact, since that day you and your wife came here, and I asked you to encourage her to manifest the God-given gift in her, I have not seen her again. What happened?
Thank you. If I tell you, it will tough for you. That is the problem I was referring to. You know, when we left, my wife made our house a living hell for everybody, apart from her daughter Olivia.
Sister Dorothy.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, she gave Emmanuel the beating of his life and turned the whole house upside down. Why? Because she felt Matilda will blow. Yes, because of her performance in the choir. And she said over her dead body, should Matilda remain in the choir.
Is Sister Dorothy that callous?
Daddy Joe, that is an understatement. Oh yes. Now let me bust your bubble. You know I traveled the other time. I came with so many gifts for them. But it happened that the one I gave to Matilda is more than the rest, given her background. Do you know this woman collected those clothes from Matilda and gave them to Olivia, her daughter, to use? The other day, when we got home, the day I told you she beat Emmanuel up. When we got home that day, she gave Emmanuel the greatest beating of his life. Yes. Then she went ahead to insult me. There is no name in this world that I will not. Dorothy gave me the greatest insult of my life. She called me all sorts of names. I am a demented fool, a stupid man, any name you can think of, negative one at that. Well, you know I'm a good Christian. There is no way I will lay my hands on my wife.
No. As a Christian, you are forbidden from beating your wife.
So what I did was to quietly abandon the room for her. For the past 2 weeks, I've been sleeping in the guest room. You know what that means for a Christian? By the grace of God, I have to hold myself. You understand?
But Chief, you are the man of the house. You ought to take care of all this.
Daddy Joe, I am trying my best. But I cannot chase my wife out of the house. Yes. You know, so the only thing I do now is just to pray so that God can touch her heart.
Chief, don't worry. I'll make out time and talk to Sister Dorothy. I believe she will listen to me.
That would be very nice of you. You know, I have a strong belief that the relationship between man and God is purely personal to the individual. So the only thing we can do is to pray for ourselves and see how we can manage them. And God, I can't change her. It's only God that can.
It is well.
Thank you, Pastor. So, I need to leave now.
It's alright. It's alright, Chief.
But send me well to Mama.
This is well. But you saw her during the service.
Yes, I did.
The only thing is that you did not.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You have
What be that?
the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You
This one will come here this time. You know what they asked now? Breeze. You know what they asked now? Why they have to say Olivia no dey house? Now me that fine housemate, now me na dey house.
You mean Matilda?
Yes, now that fine girl.
So where is she?
Okay, see am for that place. Now they fetch water for that place.
Okay.
I tell you,
I will come.
that girl too fine.
Thank you.
Vanity, such a vanity. It's a vanity. Infidelity is such a vanity.
I'm fine. Welcome, sir.
I can see you are busy.
Yes, sir. But there's no one at home. They've all gone out.
I know. I actually came because of you.
Because of me?
Yes, I know everyone might have gone out, so I came to keep you company.
Oga, to the best of my knowledge, I can't remember telling you that I'm lonely and need company. Please. I don't need you to keep me company. Moreover, you should be somewhere, maybe working or school. Don't you have anything you're doing for yourself?
Yeah, I am a 300 level student, computer science. Well, I'm done with my lectures today. Well, Matilda, I really like you. The first day I set my eyes on you, I've not been myself. Matilda, you are so beautiful. If you accept to be my girlfriend, I promise you, whatever you want, anything you want in this life, I will do it for you. Yes. Matilda, you're not saying anything. Oh, okay, I understand. Maybe it's because of Olivia. Don't worry, I don't know her. She's been the one trying herself.
Why would he tell me that Olivia is the one forcing herself on him? Did I ask him?
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, 'cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. Wild woman, be careful what you do, 'cause you don't even know. You don't even know. Proud woman, be careful things you do. Tomorrow will come.
Idiot. Now woman in come this house go fine. I don't know can come this house with that. You go as it is, so you don't sit down, they focus on your book. You come here, call the fine woman. Mati, fine babe. Now you call the fine. You don't get sense. Make my Oga no catch you one day for here. Oga go kill you.
Morris,
To that?
were you here earlier today?
No? Why do you ask?
Someone told me that she saw you around the neighborhood today.
Me? Did the person actually tell you she saw me in your neighborhood today?
Yes.
That means the person must have lied to you. Sweetheart, I did not come here today, except now that I just came.
Here?
I mean the neighborhood.
Morris, your eyes are blinking. A telltale signal that you're lying to me. Someone told me that she saw you around the estate today.
Which estate?
Our estate, of course.
And who could that be?
A friend and also a neighbor. She said she saw you this afternoon.
Oh yes, I forgot. I'm sorry. It escaped my mind.
Morris, you mean you came to this house when you rightfully know that I will not be around?
I know now. I just came to a cafe down the street.
Which cyber cafe? You mean you left all the cyber cafes in school to come to this? Which cyber cafe did you come to?
Maybe I called a friend of mine on phone who told me he was in a cafe down the street. So I decided to come and see him in your neighborhood.
And which friend are we talking about here?
Maybe you don't know him. He's Raphael. I'm sure you've not met him.
Son of a bitch. Could it be he was here earlier today to make advances at Matilda? It better not be what I'm thinking.
Hello? Olivia, are you here?
What? Fine. Whatever.
For you? Are you sure?
Yes, whatever.
What is it? Can you understand?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay, if you're fine. But there's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
I've been longing to tell you this for a very long time. It's about Matilda.
And what about that low life of a house help?
See, don't you think we can make money from that girl? That girl is very beautiful. I mean, very beautiful. I admire her a lot. Don't you think you can actually make money from that girl? She has everything in a woman. Like, she's very beautiful. Her backside, everything. I know one big guy in this town. he runs beauty pageant. You can take Matilda to the guy will sign.
Maurice! How dare you open your mouth and tell me such nonsense? You are very, very stupid for saying that. I mean, you sit here and talk about Matilda in that manner in front of me?
It's money.
Oh, please spare me that crap. You made me tattoo your name on my chest, all in the name of love, and you're here admiring another girl. I think you're very, very stupid. Idiot. Get out of my father's house. Get out! As a matter of fact, leave my house. Get out of my father's house.
Me, idiot.
Don't want to see you here anymore.
Baby, come back now. It's money we're talking about. It's money now, baby. Just come back.
Very stupid. Get out! Get out!
Whether you like it or not, that girl is very beautiful. And she's good to go. Let's do the girl and make money. If you are done inside, just come outside. I'm waiting for you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. It's my girlfriend's house.
You are the living God, oh. Yes, and no one like you. Yeah, you are the living God, oh. Yes, and no one like you. La, 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 la. You are the living God, oh. Yes, and no one like you. Yeah, you are the living God, oh. Yes, and no one like you. Heartless, why you be so heartless? Yeah. Heartless woman, why you be so heartless? Hey, why you been so heartless? Oh, no, no. Look at what you've done.
Mom, you look perplexed. Are you okay?
There's nothing one won't say in this house.
Mom, what is it?
You were not here to see what happened today.
Mom, what happened?
Hi! Matilda. I think it's time to throw her back to the street where she belongs.
Mom, what did Matilda do again?
Matilda! Matilda.
Mom, you're confusing me. Matilda. What did she do? Tell me.
Do you know? Or do I say, do you remember Brother Paul from our church? He was here today with that his brother, the one that traveled to Spain 7 years ago.
Mom? You mean Desmond, the drummer guy?
Exactly.
Hi. Mommy, how was he looking? Oh, that handsome man.
That same handsome man was here today to ask for Matilda's hand in marriage.
What? Matilda again? Hey.
It's time to put an end to this madness going on in this house.
Yes.
I mean, why would she be getting all the attention? Why? Why Matilda, when my daughter is here? There's something that I can't still comprehend. Something is not right.
I mean, she's getting all the attention for real. Just imagine, an ordinary housemaid, an orphan from the motherless baby's home. I'm sure her mother would have been a mad woman or a prostitute who dropped her in the gutters and left her to die. Mom, I hate her so much. Imagine Maurice looking her way.
You don't say.
Yes, Mom. Yes. And I can't sit here and watch that evil nitwit get married before me in this house. No.
For her? She has really crossed her limit. I employed her, and it is time to deploy her to the streets where she belongs.
Yes, Mom. Let's send her packing. Yes, let's send her packing.
Heartless, why you be so heartless? Heartless woman, why you be so heartless? Hey, why you been so heartless? Oh no no. Look at what you've done, heartless woman.
Matilda, leave my house!
Go back to the orphanage where you belong. Leave us alone. We don't want you again. Leave my house. Please. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave now. Leave my house. Go. You don't want to go. I don't have any. Yes, what get through? You want me to drive you home? I'm sorry, man. What is it that you're doing? I cannot do. I can work. I can work. I can't do. Please don't want me again. Go. 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 I don't want to. Go. Where is it? You don't have to. Go.
Please, I beg you, ma, please. I don't have anywhere to go. I will go. Let me greet Oga.
Heartless, heartless. Why you been so heartless? Oh yeah.
Oga, welcome.
What's going on here?
Madam asked me to go.
What's going on here? Dorothy,
Yes?
what is going on here?
I fired her.
On whose authority?
On my own authority because I employed her.
Oh. So you think you can just lord yourself around here like the Lord of the Rings?
What do you mean by that?
Who gave you the impetus to do that? Huh? I'm asking you.
What are you asking me?
Are you mad?
Daddy!
Idiot! Who gave you the right to sack her?
Rufus. You slapped me because of this bastard?
And I will slap you again if you don't shut out your dirty mouth. Who do you think you are? Look, instead of her to leave, you will be the one to leave this house.
Story! You're telling stories.
I'm telling stories.
Stories! You're telling stories. You think I don't know you're sleeping with her?
I'm sleeping with her?
Yes!
And so? And so, what can you do about it?
Really?
This is how you spoil my name all over the place. You drag my name along the mud. Before the church, before the GO. Are you okay?
I should be asking you that question. Hit me one more time, and you will regret ever knowing me.
You're daring me.
Of course I am.
You think I don't know why you want her out?
Why?
You and your lazy daughter. Because shooters are coming after her. Instead of your lazy daughter here, that's why you want her out.
I don't care!
You don't care!
She should leave my house!
But I care! Idiot! How did I marry this devil in the first place? How did I marry you? Eh? It's alright. I will show you the stuff I've made of if you continue with this your nonsense. And you lazy fool! I know how to handle you. Idiot! Matilda! You are not going anywhere. You come inside. Take your things and come inside. Zaki! Make sure you lock that gate. She must not go out. Idiot! Matilda! Come with me. Come with me inside. Let me see what this bastard will do. Idiot!
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody was
You this foolish girl, because of you, Dad slapped my mother. I will deal with you in this house. You will see pepper. I will put pepper in your eyes. Witch. Witch.
You don't even know what comes next.
Ma, please. I'm sorry. Biko, can I go inside? Ombai. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Where are you? Come here. Will you remove that nonsense from your ears? Where in God's name have you been?
Dad, I was upstairs listening to music.
You were upstairs listening to music while your mother and your sister almost evicted Matilda from this house. But from a timely intervention.
I didn't know that.
I will show this woman the other side of me.
How does it feel to live the way you
Can I please see her?
You can't see her now.
Why?
If it's time for you to see her, I'll tell you. Just calm down, she'll be fine.
Oh, please. God, do not let me down with this one, I beg you.
Don't worry, she'll be fine.
You have never failed me. Just preserve this girl for me. Please, just preserve this girl. You have never failed me, I beg you. This one more time, please. Preserve this girl for me, I beg you, please. How is she?
She's fine. It's just a shock.
I hope she didn't sustain any internal injury.
I don't think so. Like I said, just a minor shock. She'll be fine.
Okay, please. Just do anything within your power to revive this girl for me. Anything about the money, I'll pay. Please.
Well, we'll do our best. And I want you to calm down. Like I said, she'll be fine. And I assure you, she will not even spend much time here.
Okay.
So calm down. Okay?
Doctor, please. Can I see her?
Yes, but she's unconscious. And I don't want you to make noise when you get there.
No problems. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Thank you.
Vanity, vanity, such a vanity. It's all vanity, vanity. Infidelity, it's such a vanity.
God, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for preserving the life of this innocent girl. Because I don't want to be a murderer. I do not want to be associated with the name murderer. Thank you. Thank you.
How does it feel to live the way you do?
You'll be fine.
I
can assure you.
What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Tell me, vanity, vanity, vanity. Such a vanity.
Mom, are you sure she hasn't run away?
With my 25,000 naira? No, now she can't try that. That's how I'm feeding money. Hey! Matilda!
I just pray nothing bad has happened to her.
I'm talking about my money, you're talking about her. Let something happen to her, then bring back my money.
Mom, I know that she has been looking for an opportunity to run away from this house. Now that she has seen 25,000 naira, that is when she decided to run away from this house.
Hey, this is my fault. Eh?
Olivia, what is wrong with you? This is not the first time she's going to the market with such amounts of money. So why are you saying this?
So,
why are you saying this?
But she has been returning. She has been returning with foodstuffs.
Mommy, would you believe that this girl left this house since 12 noon? Look at the time, almost 7 p.m. and she's not back yet.
Hi! Hi! This is my fault, oh. This is my fault.
God, please, bring her back safely. Dad, any luck?
No luck. I went to the police station to report her missing. But they told me that it's rather too early. I should come back after 24 hours to make official report. God, I have a premonition that something bad may have happened to her. Perhaps she entered one chance. God forbid.
Rufus, if she likes, Let her enter one chance or two chances. I don't even care if she's been kidnapped by armed robbers or ritual killers. All I care is my money. She should just send that money. Maybe drop it at the gate. That is my own. I need my 25,000 naira.
Dorothy!
Uh-huh.
Why are you like this?
Like what? Eh? I know she's been planning this all along. Yes. It's my fault. I should have been sending her this bit by bit. Go and buy pepper 500. Return with 1,005. Buy onion. Go and buy meat 3,000 naira. Buy this one. Go and buy something 2,000 naira. Buy this one 3,000. Return and go out. It's my mistake. This is my mistake.
Nothing should happen to this girl. Emmanuel. Hey, I hope nothing happens to her. That girl is too good. She's just too good to face something like this. Emmanuel, please go and get me a glass of water.
Heartless woman, heartless woman, why you been so heartless?
Daddy Gio.
Oh, no.
No. All is not well at all. It's Matilda.
Why you been so heartless?
She's missing. Yes, I've gone to the police. But they advised that I should come back after 24 hours to make official report. Yes. It's alright. Thank you, Daddy.
Is she at the church?
No. She's in heaven.
Rufus, she should not use my money for offering. Please, I am begging her. Because I'm going to kill her.
Dorothy!
What?
You're a devil!
You're a Christian devil! That's my own.
Emmanuel! Emmanuel! Let me have the water, please. My ears are tingling me with this kind of rubbish that I'm...
Let it tickle you! You're a devil! You're a Christian devil!
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman, be careful what you do, cause you don't even know. You don't even know. You do. Tomorrow will come. You're not even sure. So make you fear God, oh. Make you do good, oh. Make you do the right thing. Oh, fear God, oh.
God. I hope nothing bad has happened to Matilda. Oh God. I have every reason to believe in you, God. I know that you will not allow anything bad to happen to her. I know you will not allow anything bad to happen to her. God. God, please. Matilda, please. Come home safely.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, nurse. Sorry. I slept off, sorry.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, sorry. Oh, nurse. Hi, sorry, I slept off.
It's okay. You have been here for a while. Don't you think you should go home and freshen up?
No, please, I'm okay.
Have you had anything to eat?
Sincerely, I'm not hungry. I appreciate your concern.
I really understand, but at least you have to eat something.
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Okay, if you said so. I'll come and check the drip later.
Alright. I appreciate this.
You're welcome.
Good night.
Tomorrow, Thelma, thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. So how are you doing?
To the glory of God, I'm recovering. I'm getting better. The doctor said it was just a minor accident. No bruises, no internal bleeding. Just shock and, body ache, headache, severe headache.
Sorry, What about the Noel who used his phone to call me?
He has gone back to the house.
Okay.
Auntie Maureen, everything happened within a twinkle of an eye. I didn't even know. I was just singing. All of a sudden I got carried away and I ran into a car. But as God may have it, I just entered like that without looking. And the driver knocked me down. Hey. But good thing, he's a good man. He's even the one that rushed me to the hospital. You know, some people will just hit you like that and run away.
Yes.
Especially when it's your fault. But, okay, madam. Hi.
Matilda, I can see you're getting better.
But Matilda, how could you have crossed the road without watching? Huh?
I was carried away.